Hello, property owners. Are you wondering how to keep your property in peak condition all year round? Look no further because in today's video, we're diving deep into the essential seasonal maintenance tasks tailored specifically for properties in Bangalore's unique climate. As you know, Bangalore has its own weather rhythm, from intense monsoons to dry, warm summers and mild winters. To protect your property, enhance tenant satisfaction, and prevent costly repairs, staying on top of seasonal maintenance is key. From ensuring your roof is ready for the rains to making sure your cooling systems are efficient in the summer heat, we've got you covered with expert tips for every season. Let's take a look at the maintenance tasks that'll keep your property in top shape, no matter the season. 1. Preparing for the monsoons, roof and drainage inspections. Bangalore's monsoon season is no joke. It's crucial to get ahead of the rains by starting your pre-monsoon preparation in the hot, dry months of spring. First, inspect your roof thoroughly for cracks, loose tiles, or any weak spots. Bangalore's heavy downpours can turn minor roofing issues into significant leaks, so addressing them early is critical. Don't forget the gutters. Make sure all gutters and drainage systems are free from debris like leaves and dirt. Blocked gutters can cause water pooling, damaging both the roof and the foundation of your property. 2. Revitalize your outdoor spaces, landscaping, and garden maintenance. Spring is the perfect time to give your outdoor areas some attention after the cooler months. With rising temperatures in Bangalore around March, it's an ideal opportunity to refresh your landscaping. Focus on planting heat-tolerant, native plants like succulents that thrive in Bangalore's dry spells. Clear away dead plants, prune trees, and trim bushes to promote healthy growth. Add a layer of fresh mulch in your garden to retain moisture and protect plants as the weather heats up. Preparing your garden now will help it thrive through the dry summer and the rains that follow. 3. Summer heat management. Optimizing cooling systems and insulation. As summer sets in, temperatures can get uncomfortably warm, and the humidity can rise. This is the time to ensure your property's cooling systems are working efficiently. Have your air conditioning unit serviced, clean or replace the filters, and check for any leaks or inefficiencies. Properly maintained cooling systems not only keep your tenants comfortable, but also reduce energy costs. Inspect doors and windows for any gaps where cool air might escape. Sealing windows and doors can significantly enhance energy efficiency and help maintain a comfortable indoor climate throughout the hot months. 4. Protecting your property's exterior, paint, and structural inspections. Summer is also the perfect time for exterior maintenance. With the intense Bangalore sun, it's important to check the condition of the paint on your property's exterior walls. UV rays can fade and crack paint, which reduces your property's curb appeal and exposes the structure to potential damage. Look out for any cracks or signs of wear on exterior walls, as well as wooden elements like fences or outdoor furniture. Ensure these are treated and sealed to withstand the harsh summer heat. 5. Monsoon ready. Waterproofing and leakage prevention. Bangalore's monsoons are infamous for heavy, sustained rains. Waterproofing your property is crucial to prevent damage during the rainy season. Before the monsoon hits, inspect areas prone to water seepage, such as window frames, walls, and the foundation. Apply a fresh coat of waterproofing material to these vulnerable spots and reseal any windows or doors showing signs of leaks. For properties with flat roofs or terraces, make sure they are properly sloped for efficient drainage. Standing water can lead to severe structural damage, so these preventive measures are essential. 6. Monsoon landscaping tips, drainage and pruning. While the monsoon rains can make your garden lush and green, improper drainage can lead to waterlogging, which is harmful to plants and can attract pests. Check that your garden has adequate drainage systems to prevent standing water. Prune trees and bushes before the rains, especially any branches that could pose a hazard in heavy winds. Weak branches are prone to breakage, which could damage your property or create a safety risk for tenants. 7. Winter comfort. Energy efficiency for cooler nights. Although winters in Bangalore are mild, the cooler nights still require some attention to energy efficiency. Inspect your property's insulation and check for drafts around doors and windows. Consider applying weather stripping to seal gaps and prevent cold air from entering. While heating isn't a major concern in Bangalore, ensuring your property is properly insulated will reduce energy use and maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. 8. Exterior cleaning and post-monsoon maintenance in winter. Winter offers a respite from the extreme heat and heavy rains, making it a great time to focus on cleaning and repair tasks. Use this time to pressure wash exterior walls, pavements, and outdoor spaces to remove dirt and grime accumulated over the year. Also, do a thorough check for any post-monsoon damage. Look for cracks, leaks, or any signs of mold that may have developed during the wet season. Addressing these issues now ensures your property remains in excellent condition for the next year. 9. Year-round pest control. Essential for Bangalore's climate. Bangalore's humid climate is perfect for pests like termites, ants, and rodents, making pest control a year-round task. Make sure your property undergoes regular pest control treatments to prevent infestations that could cause structural damage or discomfort for tenants. Keeping the property clean, especially outdoor areas, will reduce the likelihood of pests settling in. Encourage tenants to practice proper waste disposal and report any signs of pests immediately. Staying proactive with pest control will protect your property's structural integrity and tenant satisfaction. 10. Prioritizing safety. Electrical system and fire alarm inspections. No matter the season, safety should always be a top priority. Regularly inspect your property's electrical systems, including wiring, outlets, and circuit breakers, to ensure they are functioning safely. Additionally, test smoke detectors and fire alarms regularly to ensure they're in working order. In a humid climate like Bangalore's, electrical systems and batteries can wear down more quickly, so these safety checks are essential for tenant safety and property protection. Taking a proactive approach for year-round success. Maintaining your property year-round is all about being proactive. Whether preparing for the monsoon, managing the summer heat, or addressing winter wear and tear, regular seasonal maintenance will protect your investment, reduce repair costs, and keep your tenants happy. By addressing maintenance needs before each season arrives, you'll preserve the value of your property and ensure it remains a comfortable and safe living environment for your tenants. Bonus tip: let SANGAU handle your property maintenance all year. Maintaining your property throughout the year can be challenging, but with SANGAU, it doesn't have to be. Our expert team specializes in year-round property management in Bangalore. Whether it's preparing for the monsoon or ensuring efficient cooling during summer, we've got you covered. Let us take the hassle out of property maintenance so you can focus on what matters most. Contact SANGAU today and discover how we can keep your property in top shape season after season. Conclusion. And that's it for today's video. By following these seasonal maintenance tips, you'll not only protect your property, but also provide a better living experience for your tenants. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on property management. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.